Hello everyone, my name is Jagvindersingh and you are watching my channel in which I make logos in MS Paint, which are mostly time-lapse videos. But today I am taking a different approach and trying to teach you step by step, and it is a tutorial. And today I want to make Adobe's official logo. So without a doubt, let's get started. So first thing first, guys, after you open your MS Paint, first thing you have to do is just go to the view tab and turn on the guidelines. Okay, now these guidelines are very important and I will give you a tip also, and make sure that you are at 50% rather than on 100%. Why? Because at 50% the image or the logo that you make, it is going to be much more clearer, or you can say much more crisper rather than on 100%, because on 100% it is going to be a little bit of pixelated, you can say. So make sure that you are at 50% zoom. And yeah, the tip that I was telling you was just one simple rule, that one square on 50%, the guidelines that you're seeing, the square that you're seeing, at 50% one square if you choose, but it became 4 by 4 square in 100%. This is a very good thing for us, so that you can know that if you misadjust something, you just simply have to go to 100% and just simply make sure that you correct that adjustment. So it's a very simple tip and very simple thing to do. Just zoom, if you zoom out at 50%, just zoom in to 100% and manage your guidelines, manage your lines, to be honest. Okay, so let's continue to the main subject, that is the Adobe logo. So first thing first, we have to make a rectangle which is going to be a 14 into 16 box, which is a rectangle, of course. So you can make 14 by 16 box. Just simply hold down the shift button, and shift button is important because it is going to make sure that you make the square. Once you make the square, which is going to be 14 by 14, just let it go the click, and let it go the shift key as well, and just adjust 2 more boxes in the width section. So it is going to be 14 by 16. Also you can zoom in to 100% and make sure you can do the adjustment if the lines are, if you think they are here and there. So it is going to be a very simple thing to do. That is why I gave you the tip. Now the next thing that we are going to do are going to make some triangle, and when I say some, it is going to be 2 triangles, and we are going to first focus on the height, not on the width. And the height that we are going to make from the above side of the rectangle, make sure you are going to select 5 not select, I can say just make a line nearby, so that you know that this is the place where the tip of the rectangle, not the rectangle, the tip of the triangle touch. So it is going to be 5 more boxes. The above 5th boxes, you just made a line, and as you can see on the video, I made the line as well, so that I know that once it is made, it just touch that place. Also the upper side of the rectangle, you also have to give 5 more spaces underside for the smaller triangle. So first make the lines, that these are the lines, these are the places which the triangle is going to be, where the point is going to be touching, and then made the triangle itself at 100%, not 100%, at 50%. So let's begin this, and just quickly let me do the thing. First I'm going to choose the height. First I'm going to make the height, and after that I'm going to be go under zoom into 100%, so that I can make the adjustment, that if it is touching or not, if it is relying on it or not. So you can make the adjustment. Now just let me speed this up so that you can understand. Okay, in the small triangle, first I am getting the height correct, which I told you under 5 side from the top side of the rectangle. That's where the line I have made, and also fixing its middle, or you can say the center, by going upside of the big triangle that we have made. So we know that this, because we have no idea if we are going to make the small rectangle, so we are not able to do the shifting to the middle part. It can be correct, it cannot be correct, so we are going to the upside. And once we know that we have reached that place, because once we have made the height, after the making the height, we are just going to grab the smaller triangle and just move it ahead where the big triangle started from the above side. And after that we are going to go under the 100% and adjust the height, not the height, adjust the width, not the height this time. Okay, after fixing the width, and we know the height, and we know that it is going to be the same diagonals and everything, just with the help of our arrow key, the down arrow key, we can just simply drag it down to the bottom where it touches the bottom line. Okay, now in the next step we are going to make a diagonal line, and the height of this diagonal line is going to be 3 boxes, and move that 3 steps ahead, in the from right to left. We are going to make sure it is 3 steps. Now as you can see, the diagonal line is at the same middle part of the the triangles, you can say the middle part of the whole structure. And we are going to do a very little trick here, which I tell you or give you the rule, or you can say a tip in the beginning. We are going to do one simple thing. We want actually that line to be in the middle of that square part or the guideline. So in order to do that, we are going to go under 100%, which will make that square 4 by 4 boxes, and we are going to make sure that we are under the, not under the, at the middle of the 4 boxes. So that is going to be the place that we want that diagonal line to be. And once we are done with that, we are also going to make a horizontal line, which is simply going to connect the diagonal line and the outer side of the triangle. As you can see, we have made the shape, and the next thing that we are going to do is a very simple thing, and that is coloring. But before starting the coloring, I am going to give a very little tip about the coloring as well. If you don't know that, you can see there are 2 colors, that is color number 1 and color number 2. If you choose the bucket, the fill bucket tool, and if you going to click the left button on the shape or elsewhere, wherever you want to, the first color is going to be applied. And if you're going to choose the or click the right click of your mouse, then it is going to fill the second color, or the secondary color which you have chosen. In this case it is going to be white. So let's say there are guided lines that I have made it. I'm just simply going to put the right click on it, and it is going to change. And we are going to do a very simple thing. We are going to simply make the inside of the logo just simply black, and on the primary color I'm going to choose the red color, and simply going to put the red color in it. And once again the rectangle that we have made, you just simply fill the white color in it, and you get the logo. Okay, first thing that we have to make sure, you have to choose the tool in order to make the word Adobe itself on the logo. After choosing that, just write the word Adobe, and I'm using a font, and it's the official font by the company itself, the Adobe, and it is free, you can download it. It's called Adobe Clean typeface. Okay, you can simply go to Adobe and search for it, and just simply select that. And I'm going to make sure the height, or the size of the typeface is, or the font is 450, and I'm going to write the word, that is Adobe. And as you can see, we have completed our logo. But there is one thing I forget to tell you, the color in it. I'm going to give you the screenshot, or also give you what was the color that used in this logo, the red color. So this was the video, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like this video and you really did understood something, so just give me a just subscribe to me, and I'm going to make sure that I'm going to continue and work on better content so that people can learn and understand. And thank you for watching, guys. Peace.